Hey first graders, I'm going to do some welded sound practice for you, but first I want to catch the grown-ups up so that they know what we're talking about. So for the grown-ups, this is Welded Sounds 101. The A-N-G, A-N-K, and then I-O-N-U, we call these our welded sounds. The reason these are special is because if you sound them out normally, it doesn't work. So if I had cat, I could just sound it out normally, k-at. But if I try the same thing on bank, b-a-n-k, that doesn't work. So I've been teaching the kids to look at these as a chunk. We call them our welded sounds. They are welded together. When we write them and spell them, we mark them up by putting the welded sound in a box. So we would sound them out like this. Ink, think, b-ank, bank, ing, sing, song, song. This is just a way to help the kids visually understand how these letter combinations work. So, first graders, it is your turn now. I'm going to hold up a card with a welded sound word on it. I am mixing them all up. Then you are going to read them. If you need to sound them out, that's fine. If you don't need to sound them out, that's awesome. Just go. Ready? Ooh, I'm mixing it up. Nice work, guys. Now, sometimes we add a suffix to the end. So I'm going to show you a word. I want you to use your brain and think of what the word would be if we added a suffix s to the end. Rings, songs. Remember, sometimes the suffix s sounds like a z. Gongs, banks, hangs, wings, sings. I hope you're getting these before me. If I'm going too fast, pause the video. Sinks, songs, lungs, bangs, chunks, bunks. Nice job, guys. I'm really proud of you. I know you guys are working really hard at home. I know this is weird and crazy and YouTube school. What? Because I know I've been telling you all year that too much YouTube will rot your brains out. This is different. I love you guys. I miss you guys. Keep doing the great work, and I will keep making videos where you can hear my dogs running around in the background.